And nurses across the country reacted to Redonda Vaught's sentencing.
Vaught's conviction drew national attention and left many in the nursing profession worried it would set a precedent for criminalizing medical mistakes. News 2's Allie Lynch is here now with more. Allie?
Bob Haley, today hundreds of healthcare workers rallied outside the courthouse, warning that criminalizing such mistakes would lead to more deaths in hospitals. The crowd of nurses outside protesting cheered, cried, and even hugged after hearing the sentence.
We're relieved to an extent, but it also shows us just how quick people will be to throw us under the bus.
The relief came after the healthcare workers spent hours in the sun, clinging on to every word of the judge's lengthy sentencing for Redonda Vaught. The fact that she faced any criminal penalties at all has become a rallying point for many nurses, including Marie McSwain, who says she was already fed up with poor working conditions worsened by the pandemic.
We are not filled with any kind of confidence because there's no guarantee it would happen like that next time in a similar situation.
Dozens of nurses flew in from Washington, D.C. following the National Nurses March on Thursday.
I wasn't sure if I was going to make it in. I had a connection in Atlanta. I had to go from gate E to gate B, and I had a train to catch, and I had 12 minutes. I ran through that airport with my backpack swinging back and forth, but I knew I needed to be here.
Nurse Jaylee Hurst believes this case sets a precedent that makes nurses scared to come forward to their administration.
It's an ugly truth that happens inside of our hospital system, and the only way around it to prevent it is to go forward to administration, talk about those mistakes. How did that happen? How can we fix it? How can we prevent that from happening?
Hurst, an emergency room nurse, says criminalizing a mistake, an honest mistake, is not a direction we want to go in.
Every single nurse, myself included, has made a medication error.
Now, both the American Nurses Association and the Tennessee Nurses Association reacting to the sentencing. They released a joint statement to News 2 saying, quote, "We are grateful to the judge for demonstrating leniency in the sentencing of Nurse Vaught. Unfortunately, medical errors can and do happen, even among skilled, well-meaning, and vigilant nurses and healthcare professionals." Bob?